Hello and welcome to Wild Brick Collector. My name is Mike, here to share my Lego passion by sharing my Lego collection. So I got an Icons set here today. This one is set 10325 called Alpine Lodge. It's the new Christmas winter set. Yes, indeed. Comes in at 1,517 pieces. There are 5 minifigs that I got over here in the skating rink here. 5 minifigs. Comes in at 1,756 grams. So it's pretty beefy. Got this nice, beautiful lodge going on here. Set came out in 2023. Selling for $99.99, which is about 7 cents a piece, I think, if I did the math right, which is awesome. That is a great price per piece count. Amazing. And all 5 minifigs are exclusive. So now those two factors alone means go out and buy this set. Plus, it's a super cool winter set there. They started doing the Winter Village, I think, back in 2009, which would make this the 15th Winter Village build, I believe, is what my research has done. I could be wrong. I'm kind of lazy on my research sometimes. I just go clickety click click and find a few things, and because this is all my opinion, my opinion, my Lego sets, my passion, and this is a nice my set. I like this one. All right, so what do we got going on here? We got our minifigs all in the ice skating rink going on here. So there is the little sleigh that comes along, and in the back here is the Christmas tree. So you're supposed to actually kind of sleigh the Christmas tree to where you need to go, back to your lodge. So that's what this little sleigh is all about, which is kind of cool. Talk about the ice skating rink here. So there's a neat little snowman back here. Can you see the snowman? Right here. We got our skier dude, and then we've got our there's like labeled as lodge owner, and visitor, and child. So that's what they're all like supposedly labeled at. Extra skates here. So there's your skates. Give them some money because you got to pay for the ice rink, right? Little bridge to get to the ice rink, and I love these new transparent blue um, they're not tiles. They're like wall pieces, and it's built sideways. So that is super cool. I really like the way it shimmers. Can you see it shimmering? Neat little tree on the side. So I'm rambling on this little side piece because it's awesome, and I usually hate side pieces. Also, note the tree pieces here. These are really cool. I don't know how new they are. They are fairly new. But I like the fact that they've layered the same piece in the white, so it looks like the snow is on there. I've seen it in a couple of different sets already. So there's isn't that kind of cool? It's also right next to this other little side build going on. And what is it? It's your little outhouse. Check that out. And it does have a sticker to create that little half moon. I don't know how they could have done that in a Lego form there. So you got our tree on the side there. And then open up the door, and hopefully nobody's in there. All right, nobody's in there. Got a little toilet paper holder going on. And the little toilet seat thing. Each little bathroom they build is slightly different and yet the same and yet different. To be honest, I love it when they include a bathroom. It's kind of weird to say that bathrooms are kind of cool, but in Lego form, bathrooms are kind of cool. Love the different ways they can build a toilet. All right, so there's the super cool outhouse. Purr. It's kind of cold when you sit on that guy, though, right? Move this out. So we got our big Alpine lodge going on here. neat little squirrel hanging out on the railing over here. So I kind of like that. I always like it when they include a little animal or something like that. Um, we've got a little bird hanging out over here too. So that is really cool. I love it how they created like this log cabin look with the pieces crisscrossing each other. That was a lot of fun to build, and it turned out amazing. Oh, yeah, another animal to note over here, too, is our little kitty cat. Cat's hanging out next to the little table here. Um, well, I don't know if that's actually a table. I think that's your chopping station because there's the axe. And then underneath here is all your wood. Oh, now, why do you need all this wood? We'll get to that. Cool little light here. I love the bracket going on there. I like that piece there that hangs on the sign. Okay, so now there's the back. So we've got our bedroom up here, and then it's all about hanging out and sleeping over. So there's actually three. So there's a bed up here, there's a bed over here, and then there's a bed over here. A lot of fun building all of these pieces. It was so much fun building this set. We got our little chair station over here. Got a couple of cups of coffee and a cookie. There's a little cookie hanging out right there too. So this was a really fun thing. Here's our Christmas tree that we pulled along in our sleigh. There's our sleigh. And pieces coming loose. There we go. And there's a little front desk area. And what's going on over here? So there's a little chimney. Turn it on. There it is. There's our light up fireplace. I wonder if one of these days they're going to create one that actually will stay on and a bigger battery box because I hate the batteries in these light up bricks. I mean, they're cool. And they last quite a while because you don't really sit here and just hold it forever. You only activate it once in a while. But my point would be I'd like to see a bigger battery box, leave it on, and actually have a flickering motion. That would be really cool. That's something that Lego needs to work on. Hopefully, they're already in development of something like that. But they've been doing that small. It's a 1x3, it's a brick, the three stud size brick that is, in that battery thing. Can you somehow make it? I don't know. Make it a bigger brick, hide it inside of something. I mean, they have the big giant battery motor for the train sets and stuff. Somehow make a bigger light brick so you can leave it on, and then make one that flickers. Both. You need one of each. So there. A lot of cool playability, fun stuff going on here. There's our chimney function. Yeah, what else? I'm just sitting here playing at it, staring at it, and loving it. Great shelf ability for these Winter Village sets. I have every single one. What is that, 14, 15 of them now this year. It's going to look great. Pull them out for the holidays every year. Stick them on that coffee table and hope the cats don't destroy it. And it always looks really good. So, what do you think? The Alpine Village. I'm sorry, Alpine Lodge. Don't yell at me. Alpine Lodge. Sorry. Christmas Village, Winter Village. It's in my head that way. So, Alpine Lodge. I love the way they stacked those logs. This one, top notch. This is a 10 out of 10 set. Bottom line, 10 out of 10. There were 2 instruction manuals, so even though it had 2, it's still going to give it a 10 out of 10. So the first one, the little tiny builds, the front 3 things here, and then our main instructions here was building the big lodge part here. And it's a pretty beefy instruction manual, 170 some pages. There's some words and explaining the brick and stuff there, the light brick, 163. So, bam, you're done. Woo-hoo-hoo, I like it. And there was a dude walking. Which one was it? It's this one here. Yeah, this is the minifig that is the one that walks the path along the bottom to tells you how far you are. I love that. And then last but not least, I'm going to... can't reach my box. Pull out the box. So this is the finger jab box. I really want to give it minus points, not a 10 still because of that. I can't just because the set is so good, but I'm going to yell about the box. I hate the finger jab box. This is a fat one too, so you really got to have some space to store this guy. So there is our super cool icons with the white going on the back with all the playability. You can see all the fun features in there. Bathroom, ice skating, and then your lodge itself. Oh my goodness, this is so cool, so cool, so cool. And then you can see there's the Christmas tree in the sleigh. My light. There you go. So there you go. Awesome set. Awesome set. Awesome set. You guys have the Christmas scents. What do you think? I love this one. So cool.